ഇതിപ്പോ വെള്ളം തോർപ്പിക്കുമ്പോൾ നനഞ്ഞ് കുളിക്കും. ഫ്രണ്ടിലൊന്നും അപ്പാ നൈസ് നൈസ്. നനയും ഉറപ്പാ. ഇത് പക്ഷെ കൊണ്ടില്ലല്ലേ. വീണ്ടും ഒരെണ്ണമുണ്ട്, രണ്ടെണ്ണം ഉണ്ട്. ഒരെണ്ണം അപ്പുറത്തേക്കണം കണ്ടാ. തോർന്ന് പാവങ്ങളല്ലേ നിങ്ങൾ. എന്നാലും അതിനൊക്കെ പിടിച്ച് അടച്ചിട്ടിട്ട് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ കിടന്ന് കണ്ടോണ്ടിരിക്കും. കടലിൽ നീന്താനുള്ള സാധനമല്ലേ ഇത്രയും വെള്ളത്തിൽ. വീണ്ടും ഒരെണ്ണം കൂടെ പറഞ്ഞു, 3 ഉണ്ട്. അടുത്ത പറഞ്ഞുണ്ടേ അവിടെ നിന്ന്.
critical to life on Earth. And there's no better animal to represent the story of the ocean with all its splendor and uncertainty than the killer whale, or as it's scientifically known, the Orcinus orca. The orca lives in every corner of the ocean, from the Arctic to the Atlantic, the Southern to the Indian, to the mighty Pacific and beyond. This whale story is the ocean story, and it is one we all share.
വെച്ചേക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. അത് വിളിക്കുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല, പക്ഷെ ഇതുങ്ങൾ കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റും.
വീഡിയോ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം.
While they are found in every ocean, orcas living off the coast of Iceland are quite different than those near Costa Rica. In fact, there are at least 10 types or ecotypes of killer whales.
അവനിപ്പോൾ എവിടെയോ ചാടും.
An ecotype describes the differences between killer whale size, physical form, prey, social structure, and habitat. As you can see, the differences are subtle, but noticeable when compared side by side. Orcas are adapted perfectly to their environments. And even the whale's black and white coloration has a purpose. It camouflages the outline of their bodies in the water, making it easier for them to surprise and catch their prey. When viewed from above, the black of the whale blends in with the dark depths of the ocean. When viewed from below, the orca's white bellies match the brighter surface of the water, blending with the light above, giving them the perfect camouflage.
Even the location of their eyes works very in it. It looks like it's in a white path, but it's actually a visual distraction. It's right in front of that black area, camouflage from their action's prey. Now the fin on their back is called the dorsal fin. This dorsal fin helps them stay stable. It also regulates their body temperature. Now the dorsal fin has no bone in it, so you may see it curves, kind of like orchids. On the sides of their body, they have the pectoral hookers. These pectoral hookers help them stop and steer. But if you were to take an X-ray, you would see a 5-finger-like bone structure similar to the human hand. Now, all the way at the end of their body are their lobes, and the tail flukes are the killer whale's engine, getting them up to speeds of 30 miles per hour, which is faster than some of our speedboats. But when these guys want to swim the fastest and use the most power, they're going to propel their nearly 10,000-pound body all the way up and out of the water.
Killer whales are highly social animals with a well-defined social structure. An orca pod is always led by a female. Though just half the size of her male counterpart, she is in charge. It's all about attitude, not size. Because they live and work as a group, orcas need to communicate with sounds and body language. Orcas use clicks for echolocation or navigation.
ഐസാണ് വരിട്ടിടുന്നത് കണ്ടാ
Whistles to socialize in the pod.
ഫുഡല്ല ഐസാണ് വരിട്ടിടുന്നത്
And calls for group coordination and hunting. Vocal development studies here at SeaWorld show that early on, calves learn vocalization from their mothers. But as they grow, they learn from others close to them as well. This is a bottlenose dolphin call that Shupa learned and even taught other killer whales here at SeaWorld. In fact, orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family. Whales here and in the wild use vocalization to communicate all the time.
Just like other animals, killer whales use body language to communicate with one another. A peck slap can be used to show dominance or get noticed. For example, a mother whale may use a peck slap to get the attention of her calf.
അത് പറഞ്ഞ ആരാ വന്ന
ഒരുമിച്ച് ചാടുവേ
They really hungry herd. They're getting free.
ഒരുമിച്ച് കിട്ടിയ ഫോട്ടോ
Sky hopping is how killer whales
രണ്ടും ഒരുമിച്ചാണ് കിട്ടിയാന്ന്
review their surroundings.
എനിക്ക് കിട്ടി എനിക്ക് അറിയാമായിരുന്നു രണ്ടുപേരും
Flip flaps are another form of communication that are used in the wild, but it's also right here in Europe.
പോവുകയാണ് അവൻ
അവിടെ ചാടും
വെള്ളം തെറിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് ഫ്ലാഷ് ചെയ്യണത് ഓഹോ വല്ല കാര്യമെന്നാണ്
ഞാനിപ്പോ
വേണ്ടായിരുന്നു ഞാൻ അപ്പോഴേ പറഞ്ഞു
ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് കൂടി കയറിയാൽ മതിയായിരുന്നു
ഞാൻ അവിടെ അല്ലേ ഇരുന്നത് അപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കണ്ടൊക്കെ പറ്റില്ല
Work together to rear their young,
അണ്ണന്
protect
കുടുക്ക്
their
പണി
pod,
കിട്ടിയത്
and
നമ്മളെ
most importantly, pursue and catch their prey. Every day they cooperate to survive in the wild oceans of the world. The orca's hunting techniques are as varied as the whales themselves. Norwegian killer whales will circle herring, herding them together. The whales use sounds to coordinate with each other and to disorient the herring. With the fish confused and contained, the whales stun them with their powerful tail flips, making for an easy meal.
ഏതോർത്ത് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുന്നുണ്ടോ
This other hemisphere will catch the sea lions by pulling them right off the beach. This should go demonstrate the storm and maybe are right in front of you all.
ആ മൂന്ന് പിള്ളേരെ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യണം വെള്ളം കൊച്ചുള്ളവര്
Antarctic orcas, however, will make waves to splash up the floating ice, knocking seals right into the water. Check out his orca demonstrating splashing in front of you. But you can't truly understand the power of the killer whale or the amount of water that's been displaced unless you experience it firsthand. Am I right? Yes. And luckily, I have two very brave guests. All right, are you guys ready? They seem a little scared. Let's give them a big round of applause. All right, you guys are going to experience the true power of the killer whale. All right, I'm going to have you guys sit on our iceberg. Hold on tight. Don't want you to be a seal. Do you know how cold it is? 55 degrees. Looks like we have Shuka on the way. But I'm gonna just move out.
അയ്യോ വേണ്ട 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 വേണ്ട.
നമുക്ക് വെള്ളം കിട്ടപ്പോ
അയ്യോ അങ്ങ് പോയി.
അടുത്ത് വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
The blue whale on the screen behind me is the largest animal on Earth. In fact, it is 5 times longer and 50 times heavier than a kite in here. So how does a whale the size of a kite got to eat a whale that size? Well, it's all possible because these guys are truly the ultimate team players.
In this example, we see the larger male orcas surround a sperm whale, forming a perimeter, while the females continue to drive the whale forward until it reaches exhaustion.
ഇവിടെ
The
തുപ്പാൻ
calves
പഠിച്ചിട്ടേക്കാം.
then move in to join the adults in the group. Whatever their prey, killer whales always cooperate and hunt together, making them a highly successful predator.
അവൻ എന്തോ പറഞ്ഞു വിട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. 4 പേരോട് ഒരുമിച്ച് വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
ഇപ്പൊ കുളിക്കും നമ്മള്. ഇപ്പൊ കുളിക്കും.
വരുവാ ഇപ്പൊ ചാടുകൂടാ.
Play is an important part of every life for killer whales. It's how they teach young whales to hunt and practice their skills as they keep growing. Killer whales spend a lot of time interacting and showing their playful sides in the wild, but also right here at SeaWorld. Forcing is when they swim back to the surface, breaking out of the water just briefly.
ഒരുത്തം വരുന്നുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. ഞാനെല്ലാം
ഞാൻ അപ്പോഴേ പറഞ്ഞതാ. എവിടെ അതവിടെ കയറിയിരിക്കാവുന്നതാ.
Now, killer whales are also known to imitate one another, and us as trainers, we see this every single day. Not only do these guys learn from one another, but they are constantly mimicking each other. Check it out.
ഇല്ല കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
Now, this plane does have a purpose. A tail loop can be used to stun fish while they hunt. But tonight, it looks like they're going to be stunning all of you.
കാറിലും ചാടാനോ വെള്ളം തെറിപ്പിക്കാനോ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. ഓ നമ്മള് ഇങ്ങോട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ നനയുണ്ടോ.
You guys are not ready for that. Trusting relationships which allows us creators to find a wild here.
മതിയായി.
അയ്യോ നമ്മളാ പിന്നെ
ഞാൻ തിരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കാൻ പോവാ.
That layer allows us to get an ultrasound and X-ray, but more importantly, it allows us to get all the way to the edge of your body.
അല്ല
അല്ല
ഭാഗ്യം.
And that's a very important layout because that is exactly where we get a blood sample for killer whales, right in the veins in their tail.
ശേഷി ആൾക്കാരെ മൊത്തം കുളിച്ച്
We can even ask them to slide them onto a scale, and then we can
പെണ്ണ്
monitor
കുളിച്ച്
the
ആണെന്ന്
range
നോക്കാം.
nice and healthy for their age.
ഇനി മേലൊരു വെയിലിനെ കാണാമല്ല.
ഡ്രസ്സ് മാറാനില്ലെങ്കിൽ പണിയാ.
ആ.
എന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.
We can even get a blood sample right from their blowhole, not because of their relationships to us trainers.
ഒരാ പറഞ്ഞതാ.
ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞതാ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കാന്ന്
അക്കയെ പറഞ്ഞതാ.
പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കാന്ന്
I want to introduce you to a very special
നീ ഞങ്ങളെ
lady.
സംരക്ഷിച്ചോളാം.
ഞാൻ സംബന്ധിക്കാം.
Please put our hands
ഞാൻ
together.
വിജിതമാക്കുന്നു.
ദേ പറഞ്ഞ
Oh my gosh, we can do better than that. The gorgeous Shuka! Don't worry, Shuka, I got you. Shuka is absolutely amazing. She's one of our smaller whales. At 30 years old, she is very athletic and very fun to work with and grow our relationship with. Shuka has inspired millions of guests such as yourself, and we hope today that you have all been inspired to want to make a difference, help and protect the concerns in our oceans. We challenge our whales every day to learn new things, to engage and stimulate their minds. Besides exercise and play, make sure they're in great shape.
നേരത്തെ അപ്പുറത്ത് വെള്ളം തെറിപ്പിക്കാൻ വിട്ടാൽ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വിടണ്ട അപ്പൊ വന്നാ തീർന്ന്.
The whales here at SeaWorld have helped killer whales in the wild by participating in many research studies. One ongoing study monitors the whale's heart rate and breathing to understand how marine noise pollution from ship engines and other sources affect wild populations. In another study, scientists from NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, took measurements of the killer whales living here, including pregnant whales. By comparing these measurements with drone footage of killer whales in the wild, scientists are able to monitor the wild population's nutritional and reproductive states. Other research has been done here at SeaWorld on the mother whale's milk composition. This research will help create an effective model to understand how toxins in the ocean impact wild killer whales and their milk supply. What we learn from the whales in our care every day is actively helping whales in the wild survive. And just by being here today, you've supported our rescue, research, and conservation efforts all around the world. If we work together, like the killer whale, we can protect the future of the Ursinus orca and this beautiful planet that we all share.
നനയ്ക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
ചെടി നനയ്ക്കാൻ വരുന്നുണ്ട്.
എല്ലാം നനയ്ക്കും.
നമ്മൾ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു.
ഇല്ല, ഞാൻ വരുന്നു.
ആ നമ്മൾ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു. അതല്ലേ അവൻ കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
മറ്റേ കാരണം കിടുത്ത
ആ
Thank you so much for joining us at Orca Encounter. Help protect and conserve our oceans. Please enjoy the rest of your night right here at SeaWorld. Bye, everybody.
ഉള്ള നനയും പിടിച്ചോണ്ട് വരും.
നൈസ്